for this limit too, x approaches negative infinity, right? So we're going to factor out the highest degree of the terms in the denominator, square root of x squared, square root of x squared, right? So again, square root of x squared is equal to absolute value of x. So this is equal to limit as x approaches negative infinity, square root of x root 2 minus 1 over x squared plus square root of x square root 4 plus 1 over x squared. Since this is x to the power of 1, we can factor out x in our numerator, right? So 1 over x minus 1. Now let's simplify this limit. Limit as x approaches negative infinity, x over absolute value x over absolute value x, as x approaches negative infinity, that's negative 1, right? So simplify these terms and we must have a negative here. So this is equal to negative 1 over x plus 1 square root of 2 minus 1 over x squared plus square root of 4 plus 1 over x squared. And as x approaches negative infinity, 1 over x, that approaches 0. 1 over x squared approaches 0. 1 over x squared approaches 0, right? So this limit is equal to 0 plus 1 over square root 2 minus 0 plus square root 4 plus 0. So that is 1 over root 2 plus 2. And if we rationalize this expression, the denominator, root 2 minus 2, then that is equal to 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4, root 2 minus 2. So the final answer is root 2 minus 2 over negative 2, right?